This is a 3D volume visualization package which has been developed with the help of GPU device. Actually, the reason why we go for GPU is to enhance the performance of our visualization. What volume visualization does is that it takes as input a set of 2D slices which is got as output from CT or MRI scanners. So these output images, that is 2D slices, are fed into our application, and these 2D slices can be viewed in a 3D space in a volume format. So it demands actually the conversion of 2D slices into a volume, into 3D volume, demands hell lot of time. So the performance is a big issue in this case. Actually, the 3D volume visualization is done using a technique called ray tracing. Ray tracing is actually a very time consuming process because we have to consider each and every pixel in the volume and do the processing for each and every pixel. So that's a time consuming process. So that's the reason why we go for GPU. With the help of GPU, we can parallelize these time consuming portions and have a good performance. Not only good, it's quite very high performance when compared to CPU implementation. So what we did is that the most compute intensive portions in the construction, in the volume visualization process was moved to GPU, so that GPU has a lot of parallel processors which can execute this process in parallel. What advantage we got is that we could get a very high performance when compared to CPU. We could get about 120 to 150x more performance when compared to the CPU implementation. This is actually a volume generated for a machine part. So you can see we are viewing it in 3-dimensional space. We can rotate it at any angle and see it. And now one of the highlight thing is that we can go inside this body. We can see the inner parts of the body, the machine, and see what all things are there inside that. And an inspection, for example, in an automotive industry, an inspection officer can check if there are any defects and all in the machine parts. So this is one of the applications of this volume visualization. So it has an immense application in industrial field. Similarly, it has an application in medical fields and also in security fields, in airlines where we have baggage scanning and all. Also please note that if we are rotating here, the rotation is so fine and smooth. The reason is only because we have implemented in the GPU. Because of the GPU implementation only we are able to rotate it so smoothly. If you are using it if we are rotating in CPU, what the problem is that it will take some time for the processing. So after we have given a rotation at a particular angle, it will take some time. The CPU will take some time for its completion. So about 5 seconds or 6 seconds delay will be there. But here we can see there is no delay. It's rotating smoothly. All this is because of the GPU.